Hi guys, so for awareness lang doon sa mga nagbabalak mag-take ng PT exam, alam naman nating lahat that creating your account may be seem like a simple task, pero kasi one small mistake can lead to a big problem. Like for example, ma-deny ka on your examination day, yun nga yung test cancellation. So to create your PT account, you need to enter your personal details, syempre. So make sure your details are exactly match your valid passport kasi passport lang yung proof of identification na kinakailangan nila. So hindi sila nag-accept ng mga digital photo ng passport mo o yung mga photo na nasa cellphone mo, hindi nila ina-accept yun. So kailangan talaga yung mismong passport talaga ipe-present mo sa kanila. And if your account details will not be matched on your passport, you will not be allowed to take the test and ineligible for a refund. Kasi nga, na-explain na nila yan bago pa lang kayo mag-take ng exam nyo. I mean, bago ka palang mag-book, magsasanayin sila sa'yo ng email, then dun mababasa mo na lahat kung paano ka ba talaga mag-enter ng pangalan mo. So always enter your name including the middle name in your given name. And then your surname or family name on the surname. Like for example, ang pangalan mo is Maria Mercedes Super Latina. So Maria is your first name, then Mercedes is your middle name, and then Super Latina is your last name. So si Mercedes, isasama mo siya sa first name. So ang lalagay mo sa first name mo is Maria Mercedes. So always include your middle name on your first name. So dyan maraming nagkakamali ng mga examiners. So hindi nila yun, parang unaware sila, hindi nila nababasa yun dun sa mga guides dun sa pag-take or pag-book ng PT exam. So yun, so once na nagkamali ka dito, hindi ka na ma-allowed na mag-take ng exam. And ineligible ka rin for a refund kasi nga nakalagay na yun dun bago ka mag-exam. So yun lang guys, so para hindi masayang yung pera nyo, so lagi nyo ilalagay yung middle name nyo on the first name. Okay? So yun lang guys. So sana nakatulong. God bless everyone. Bye!